guys, I'm at Home Depot. I'm going to Home Depot. Free a first, like, subscribe, and turn bell notifications. Do I need to know notifications? Blah blah blah. Okay, so now let's go to Home Depot. We're already at Home Depot anyway. Nothing's happening yet.
Para la sala.
Nothing's happening. Okay. I'm gonna get out of this shopping cart. My friend.
Pónganse pilas.
So creepy. What is this? This is like an old air conditioner. Oh, it looks so creepy. My phone. So creepy. So creepy. Oh my gosh, look! There's another one! So creepy!
Con dos de esos,
Press the button!
¿Cuántos están?
So I said press the button, so let me press a button. Oh look, there's a button. Let's press it. Ding! Oh no! Look!
30 por 6 o 31.
Ah!
30
Oh my gosh, the air conditioner is talking to me. Hey there. Hey there. I just want to say hello. And I'm about to eat you up. What's it about to eat me up? Ah!
30 por 6.
Yeah, I'm about to eat you. Yeah, so creepy. So you're not doing up him. Whoa. Oh, nom, nom, nom. Help me. Oh, okay. Let me punch his face. No. Okay. He's beat up. Beat up. Okay. Now, wait, where are these? Where are these? Wait, I see something. It's an announcement. It's about to rain air conditioners. It's about to rain air conditioners. No. These things? Oh! Ow! Oh my god! Oh, so creepy when you do things at 3 a.m. Kind of scared right now. Let's keep walking. Let's keep walking. Keep walking. I'm not something dirty. It looks kind of creepy. What is it? It's from Bridget, Zach, Hiri. Zach? Wait. Zach Hiri was here. Ah! Creepy. Ah! Zach Hiri was here. Who is Zach Hiri? Ah! So creepy. I see Zach Hiri right now. I'm Zachary. He's here! We should run to Home Depot! Zachary's got me! Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Press the notification.